the letter? If you wanted to talk to Kankan, you should have sent it to him instead.
Hey, Pete, now is not the time for that. Gol, you said you lost your mom?
Yes, I did.
Don't you worry. We'll find her for you.
Okay, let's start. Tell us in detail where and how you lost your mom.
Okay, well, so what happened was...
Hey, Gol, I'll be back soon. Don't wander off too far.
Yes, Mom! Oh, yippee! Now that Mom is gone, I should go outside too and play. Mom said I shouldn't wander off too far, but I'm so curious to see what's out there. Whoa, what is this? Wow, this smells really delicious. Hold on, I know this smell.
It's a pangolin!
A pangolin is here!
Oh boy, these tasty ants are so delicious. Now that I've had some ants, I should probably keep going. Whoa, I've never seen this path. I wonder where it goes. Wow, a river! So refreshing. Oh, that's right. Mom said rivers are dangerous. I should go back home. I didn't listen to Mom and went all the way to the river. And when I came home, Mom wasn't there.
Maybe because you weren't home, your mother got worried and went out to look for you.
Right.
Okay then, let's go look near their home first.
Hold on. Before we find Gol's mom, first we have to figure out what she actually looks like.
Rabby! Rabby!
So the bears have moved away because they're hungry? Aha! In that case, if there's not enough food in Ice Kingdom, then the bears must have gone somewhere warm.
Captain, I saw a lot of fish in the river before.
All right, gentlemen, we're off to the river.
Good gracious! I guess the only thing left to eat here is that! It looks like it.
If so, the polar bears might come here. Detectives, prepare for Operation Stakeout.
Okay!
However, several hours passed and still no sign of polar bears. We ended up falling asleep.
Are you the greatest predator here?
That's right. There's no one greater.
We have finally found you. Now the mystery is solved.
What?
Aren't you a polar bear? The greatest predator in Ice Kingdom?
What? The greatest predator here isn't the polar bear, but me, the brown bear.
The polar bears have come! Wake up, you guys! It was a long stakeout, but we got to see a family of polar bears that came in search of food. Now the mystery is solved! Hey, polar bear, did you come all the way here to find food?
Yes, the sea lions have gone, so my children and I are very hungry.
The melting ice has forced many animals to leave Ice Kingdom.
I'm hungry, Mommy!
Oh, hold on, sweetie. We're almost there.
Sea lions are the polar bears' main food source, but as the glaciers melted, they moved away, making it hard for polar bears to survive. So they went in search of food. Even at night, they kept on searching.
I feel so bad for the poor polar bears!
I can't stand being hungry even for a minute.
I'm going to give you guys all my favorite snacks right now.
We'll give ours too!
In our hopes to keep the polar bears from starving, we shared what little food we had with the family. A can? Why isn't this can in the recycling bin? Who was on trash duty? Well, that's the last of it. Your booger isn't here.
Baba, it'll be faster if you just made yourself another booger.
That's easy for you to say, Molly. I didn't pick my nose for a whole week to make that giant booger.
Who on earth would want to take that disgusting booger ball?
We'll go and look for suspects who might have taken your giant booger. Baba, why don't you go back and take another look?
Will do.
Rabby.
Yuck! How did he make such a huge ball with just the boogers from his nose?
Giant booger!
Kiki! You shouldn't be wasting your precious booger like this. From now on, you must cherish every little booger you have, understand?
Giant booger!
Rabby.
Seeing as how the culprit took Baba's giant booger, our most likely suspect is probably someone that usually eats round things.
Ew! How could you mistake a booger for food? Just thinking about it is gross. Me eat a booger? What do you take me for?
Sorry.
You think I can't tell a booger from food? I can tell just by its smell.
This is a hard one.
This is going to take all day. Ow! This is Baba's giant booger!
Back off! That's my snack that I dropped!
Your snack?
We have to protect Baba's booger.
Come back here, you thieves!
Who are you calling thieves? If anyone's a thief, it's you!
Sorry to interrupt your bathing, but have you seen someone around here that can walk on top of the water?
I wouldn't say walk, but I have seen a guy that floats around in circles.
I think that's our guy. Were you able to get a good look at him?
Not really. All I saw was some insect that moved super fast on the water.
Super fast? What about its legs?
Sorry, it moved so fast. I couldn't really see.
If you couldn't see them, maybe they were short. Yes, that makes sense. We have to look for a bug with short legs that moves fast on the water. Gentlemen, let's go to the water.
Oh no, not those guys. How did they get ahead of us?
I won't let them beat us. No way, no how. Yup!
Kiki, shoot your blaster.
Banana blaster!
Are you okay? Hey guys, they're gonna beat us! Let's use Winnie Baby!
Bingo! I see a critter with short legs.
Captain, look up there. It's the Forest Detectives.
Coco, get the logbook out quick!
Captain, hurry!
Now the mystery is solved!
The insect that hunts by walking on water is the lightweight water strider. The microhairs on its legs push away the water so that it can walk on it. and the water strider can move very fast. It can travel 100 times its body length in just 1 second.
Fess up, Strider. You have the ancient Shaolin Scroll of secret techniques, don't you?
Dream on. There's no such thing.
Captain, we must have been on the wrong track, sir.
We can't hunt big insects like moths.
The water insect that swims around in circles is the whirligig beetle. It swims fast on top of the water by pushing the water away with its legs. I'm positive that all the seeds on the ground here have fallen from this tree. Oh, but this tree is... Apparently, it was an oak tree. And an oak tree seed is an acorn. But the seeds under the tree were definitely not acorns. So then, did these seeds come here from somewhere else? Hey, the seed just fell from this tree.
I saw it too.
The seed of an oak tree is an acorn. But if these fell from this tree, then maybe they're not seeds, but something else that grows on it. But I don't see them anywhere on the tree.
What's that?
Oh, that's a rhinoceros beetle.
Molly, rhinoceros beetles don't grow on oak trees. Hold on, I just had a thought. What if they're in insects' eggs?
Eggs?
Yeah, we thought an apple snail's eggs were berries last time. Hey, rhino beetle, is this one of your eggs?
Definitely not.
Hey, stag beetle, is this maybe one of your eggs?
My egg? No.
We questioned every insect that lived on the tree, but they all said no. Maybe they're not eggs. Or maybe there was an insect that we overlooked. It came out of this hole. Molly, secure the scene.
Got it.
The ant was skinny, as if the life was sucked out of it. And there was the mysterious hole that the ant came out of. This is definitely the ant trap we've been looking for. I wonder what's inside the hole.
Oh no, maybe there's a blood-sucking monster inside waiting to eat us.
Now that's just silly.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Quiet! We must get this critter out, but how will we lure him outside?
Why, you?
Caught another one. Huh, you're not an ant.
I knew it! So it was you who dug this trap to catch ants.
That's right, it was me.
After investigating, we discovered the culprit was an ant-lion larva.
There's no other insect that can dig a trap like me. Do you want to see? Now, all I have to do is wait. You can't escape!
The ant-lion larva sucked the fluids out of the ant. Then it tossed its empty shell outside. About a year later, the ant-lion larva made a round cocoon of sand and became a pupa. After 2 weeks, it transformed into an adult ant lion and flew off, high
sky. The mystery is solved.